All right, so here we are. I'm going to go ahead and start this meeting. As the host, I opted to have a waiting room. And that allows us, you only get 40 minutes for free. So that allowed us to kind of keep everybody at bay. And I'll go ahead and open this and then walk you through a couple little things. So when you join, make sure to select to connect with your computer audio. And then up in the corner, you're going to see an area where you can do a gallery view. All right, looks like we've got some people in the waiting room, so we'll go ahead and join. All right, looks. Hello! All right, how's everyone? Here's
the cop.